Hi everyone, how to use batch function in Power Apps. Come on, let's go for the demo. Yeah, here I have created the forms. I have using one text field and file type field using giving all values and save it into our series. I'm using two buttons. This is icon, so we want to create button or icon whatever we want given. So I am giving here the name test at December 20. So here this is file data type. So I am upload some file uh, documents something and list view. Here I am next give save. This record created into our series. Here across the data, yeah, December at test at December 20. Yeah, this is the notes field. So the record is created. Okay, now how to I am given the syntax and code. Let's come on and yeah, I'm selecting the save icon. So here this is the code batch function tasks. This is my table name. Default tasks of comma task at hand. This is the primary name and text field dot text. Then comma notes. This is my field name, open braces, file name. Now this is the case sensitive. So F and N is the caps lock. Then first of data. This is my attachment. This text box value. So text box name. Then name dot attachments dot name. Then values. First data type value dot attachment dot values. So these are simple patch function using file data type save into our series. So yeah, very simple and save the records. Thank you. Any doubts? Please comment and subscribe. Bye bye.